singing a song about a vending machine. Don't you know that it's really not my scene? Trying to think of something clever with a little twist. If we do another hoedown, I'll slit my fucking wrist.
Hey. 500 points to Ryan for giving the censor something to think about. Nobody is funnier when they're pissed off than Ryan Stiles, buddy. Nobody.
I didn't know we could say fucking all this time.
We're good?
Yeah! I want to do it again. More. Hey, and the bonus is we get to see Ryan slit his fucking wrist. Slit his fucking